Geography. Proves to show that the Earth is spherical in nature. 1. A 6 feet surveyor post mounted on the surface of the Earth at space or distance will reveal that the center of the pole is higher than the other two poles. This is because the curved nature of the Earth's surface has pushed the central pole to a higher position. It is only a curved object or surface that has the ability to show such a shape. 2. Ship visibility. An observer at the coast water of oncoming ship from a distance will first of all see the ship mast, later the ship hull, and finally ship's second mast. The ship will appear to be climbing as small as she approaches the observer. It is only a round object that can have such a shape. Proves to show that the Earth is spherical in nature. 3. Lunar eclipse. This occurs when the Earth is in between the Sun and the Moon. The Earth's shadow cast on the Moon is also always circular. Therefore, it is only a circular object that reveals a circular shadow. 4. Planetary bodies. All planetary bodies, including the Sun, Moon, and Earth, being a member of the planetary system, cannot therefore be an exception. Proves to show that the Earth is spherical in nature. 5. Aerial video tape and photography. From photographies and video clips recorded above the Earth from the Moon reveal very clearly that the shape of the Earth is spherical. It is also revealed the nature of movement of the Earth. Rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the Earth on its 66.5 inclined axis from west to east within 24 hours, then finally face the Sun. Effects of revolution. 1. It causes day hours. 2. It also causes night hours. 3. It makes the Sun to appear to us from east in the morning and west in the evening. 4. It causes deflection, objects like ocean, current, and wind. According to Ferri's law of deflection, any moving object from southern hemisphere crossing the equator will be deflected to the right, and any object from northern hemisphere will be deflected to the right, and any moving object from the northern hemisphere will be deflected to the left. Revolution. This is the movement of the Earth turning its elliptical orbit at an anti-clockwise direction around the Sun with 365 1/4 days or 1/4 days. Description of revolution. During December 22, the Earth faces the Sun in the location of tropics of Capricorn. When it moves anti-clockwise during March 21, Earth faces the Sun along the equatorial tropics of Cancer. Then during March, when the Earth moves anti-clockwise during June 22, the Earth faces the Sun in the solstice date of equator. And during the 22 of September, the Earth faces the Sun at the tropics of Cancer again. Then when they now complete a complete revolution during December 22, we say that the Earth have moved around this Earth in a complete revolution. So the key, you have C, tropics of Cancer, E, the equator, CP, the tropics of Capricorn. The sign is an anti-clockwise movement of the sun. That is the ray. March and September are the equinox date, and June is the solstice date. Around December, the Earth moves into a position where all the areas around the tropics of Capricorn will face to face with the sun. And after 2 months, that is in March, the Earth finds itself in another position where all the areas at the equator will face the sun for the next 2 months. Around June, the Earth moves in a position where all the areas around the tropics Cancer will come in contact with the sun for a period of 2 months. Around December, the Earth makes a complete revolution where areas around tropics of Capricorn will face the sun. Effects of revolution: 1. Season. 2. Solstice and equinox. 3. Varying length of days and nights. 4. Decides when world tournaments are staged. 5. On June 22, A. The sun will appear centrally. B. It will stay overhead the Earth. Effect of revolution: season. In tropical Africa, there are 2 major seasons which are brought about by revolution. When the sun is around the tropics Cancer, that is June, July and August, the wind system in Africa moves towards tropics of Cancer. Since wind is coming from the Atlantic Ocean, it carries with it moisture which deposits inland as rainfall. In December, January, February, when the sun dominates the tropics of Capricorn, the wind blows across Sahara Desert is carried with it, dust and sand, which we experience as harmattan. Effect of revolution: in the temperate region of the world, example USA, Canada and Europe, they have 4 distinct seasons: summer, winter, autumn, spring, which are brought about by the revolution. For example, around June, July and August, when the sun is at the tropics of Cancer, all temperate regions in the northern hemisphere will experience summer. Around December, January and February, when the sun is around the tropics of Capricorn, all the temperate regions in the southern hemisphere, Atlanta, Chile, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, will experience summer at the same time in December to February. In December to February, all the temperate regions in the northern hemisphere will experience winter and vice versa. Effect of revolution: in Asia, China, India, Japan, Korea will experience monsoonal temperature around June, July and August, as well as monsoonal rainfall. This is because the wind system in Asia will blow from Indian Ocean to inland, bringing about monsoonal rainfall. In Australia and New Zealand, their own summer begins when the sun is at the tropics of Capricorn. They will also experience summer rainfall because the wind system will be blowing from the Indian Ocean toward the south.